All right, everybody. So Dr. Tennant here. Module 5, Data Literacy. Purpose of the screencast is to just quick overview of what's happening in this module. So let's get you going. So in God we trust, but everybody else needs to bring some data. Start with the essential questions. Force download here. Let's have a look. So let's see. Pretty simple here. So what is data literacy? Skills and knowledge are needed to develop it. And how would you identify and evaluate sources of data? So that's kind of what's going to be running in the background here. So let's just jump right in. Here's the first form. Okay, we're using the G-Text, Chapter 2 for this one. And just kind of punch through this here. Format your forum response based on these questions, please. And again, I give you the page numbers. And I give you some key ideas I need you to kind of focus on. Action carrying, well-managed attention to learn from experience. A lot of good stuff here we can talk about. And again, once again, I've given you some page numbers to reference. Think square method to respond to your peers. No maximum, minimum word count. So again, you hit the new discussion topic button and we're off and running. So that was task 1. There are no resources to back it because I think you're reading out of the text. Here's a wiki. So this is tied to the TED Talk that is in the resource section. I'll show you in a sec. Again, you're hitting the edit button. And it's formatted like this. So I kind of punched in some things that I saw on there when I watched it. There goes your name, your responses to the bolded prompts above. And just keep it simple. I want you to interact with this stuff. I'm just trying to get you to think a little bit about it. And you'll hit save when you posted what you're going to post. So let's get back out of this. And that was task 2. So here's the task 2 TED Talk. And here we go on a checkpoint. Again, you're just checking in. And, I thought, well, maybe I'll have you upload, what you have so far in your infographic, but I think that's just adding work to get it set up for something that you can turn in early to show me your progress, but I don't think that's going to be necessary here. This is just your reminder that, by this time we're in week 5 and that you should be moving along. So we're not commenting on posts or anything, but you just kind of need to check in, let me know how it's going. As always, if you're having some issues, hopefully you've already gotten a hold of me. And that way we can get everything turned in on time. Your summary of learning, which you'll typically see. Here we're going to address the essential questions. Format of your choice. Go ahead and address them. Again, I'm not looking for, the word count, minimum or maximum. I just want to make sure that, as we view our TED Talks and we do our outside research and we kind of thumb through and, either deeply read or skim the other resources that are provided or the text that we're using, that we can somehow frame some of what we learn, to address the essential questions. So, it's again, format of your choice. And let's see, so that was task 4. Here are some resources for it. So it should get you where you need to be. Okay, and I think that takes care of Module 5.